Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let's get into the video number 149. This is continuation of my video 146, I believe. Before going to the video, I would like to share that all the updates related to videos and any job opportunities you can find under my channel posts. So if you scroll down, you can see all the jobs that I have listed across my contacts, and you can do your predictions over here, and you can participate in the polls that I conduct regularly. Before going to video, I want to share that I am available in TopMate now. So if you want some Pega career guidance, or if you want some Pega mock interviews, or if you want some information on interview questions, whatever it is, you can reach me personally in this TopMate. You can book a video meeting with me so that I can have one-to-one chat with you guys. Let's get started into the topic. So, as part of this Infinity upgrade 2, just I have to mention a few more points. That's it. So, under records explorer, we got generative AI category, and this is one of the key category that Pega has come up with. So, if you switch to Dev Studio, you can see generative AI, and here we are having four kind of rules: agent, Gen AI coach, Gen AI connect tool. So we will be having separate videos on each of these respectively, but see what are the OTB things available. Example, this is like PX chart with your data. This is one of the agent, and here you can see what are the instructions that are provided to agent, and you can see like it's a configuration and what are the guardrails and what is the response and additional context. And this particular agent can be referred by multiple data pages also. So that data page will get trained with the data for this respective agent, and there are some other tabs also here. So if you give a question to that respective agent, like what can you help with me, tell me about your application, these are the pre-configured questions. So then the agent would be giving these instructions when you type a question to it. And this agent, if you go for case types, knowledge, advanced tools, you can see something called as tools. So these tools is nothing but this respective category under generative category tool. And let's see what is the PX obj class of this agent. Yeah, I feel that this is like rule AA agent. This is the class. Under this class instances, these will be there. And this is tools, right? Suppose if you create a tool, and that respective tool, you can refer to this respective agent. Example, say I need to apply for visa, like these are the tools. This is one of the tool I have created, and if you go to action, you can select which category it does belong to. There are some categories like case type, agent, automation, body, flow, action. So based on this, okay, example, if it is a case type, now if I go to a case type, and in that respective case type, actually now the case type is not there. In the respective case type, under flows, we can actually specify to use this agent, like that agent, automation, body, and like that we can. So example, if you see here, is one of the agent, right? If you scroll down to the tool, you can see only py knowledge body. Why? Because this particular tool category might be body. See, and if I go to case types and click add, and this particular px chart with your data, or what is the other tool? Yeah, let's see which tool. Yeah, visa application, because I have given the particular action category as case type. That's why this is particularly listed in this respective agent. Like that for advanced agent, suppose this is a pz search entity by label. This under this action, it is an automation. So based on this, these all are interrelated. This under generative AI agent and this tool, and this generative AI coach and generative AI connect, we will discuss in a detailed way. So these are like we can have multiple data sources for a GenAI coach, and this we can configure and reference in our Pega application. Okay, and another thing is data sources. As I said, data sources. Example, let's take one data source, data page. Suppose this is a list data page, okay, structure, and if you see report definition, connector, only these are there. Now let's change this structure to page, for example. Then see, you can have GenAI Connect knowledge, but here's two of the new resource types where if you give and you can give a GenAI category name, and if you open it, you can see the next how we can process around. So this is one of the new addition. Next, under UI, we know that as part of Constellation components library is there. And another thing is process under flows. Normally, in flows we have an automation shapes, right? Now let's go to process flow. Let's take one flow. Yeah. So if you go to a flow and go to automations, you can see two new additions like GenAI Connect and Agent. So GenAI Connect is the a connector that is listed over here. This one, GenAI Connect. And another one is Agent, that is also nothing but under this category, generative AI. Example, we have seen, see, this agent came in that respective flow. So in this way, you can configure in the flow shapes. And next is identity federation and external secret stores. For more detailed clarification on configuring the identity federation, I will provide this link in the video description. Normally, we have to save our secrets in separate key vaults. So those key vaults we can create in Azure, Google Cloud Provider, and Amazon Web Services. So those we can refer directly by creating an identity federation. So first we will create our key vaults in the respective platforms, and that we will configure with this key store. And now we have to create an instance of external key store. So that particular secret manager and vault name we will specify in that. So one connection will be there. Third step is, as we have done the connection, we have to see where we can use. So normally under security we have something called as over to client registration. So if you go to that over to client registration, we will be having a drop down called as external sources. So when you give for external reference map secret, you can give the secret that you have created over here, external key store. So in this way, these three are interrelated. And in this respective documentation, they have clearly explained. Here they have clearly explained what is what and how do we configure for identity federation for respective cloud providers. And another thing, yes, let's switch to App Studio. So in App Studio on the top, you can see this toggle autopilot. So just you click autopilot, and you want something to be created, or you have some queries during development of your application. You can happily ask your co-pilot autopilot over here, and you can create, data pages, data types also directly in our autopilot. There's some issue here. Chat. Yeah, see, what's the best way to start building an application? How do I create a case type? What documentation can I use to summarize any application? Like this, you can select any autopilot, and you can happily work on this respective thing. And you can message autopilot. So if you feel any queries on a rule, also it will help us on this. And here if you see AI designer, so here also from this particular panel we can create a GenAI Connect and agent, which we have referred in under records explorer. So this is mostly about the second part of this video. If you missed the first part, please watch my channel 146 video where I have explained already Pega Infinity 25 updates. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you have liked the content. Please feel free to subscribe to this channel and check community tab for regular updates and click on bell notifications.